Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today, we're going to see about some of the communications model available in the IoT. First one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for the wireless fidelity or frequency, which allows multiple computers to communicate and provide a means to connect to the internet from access point to computer or laptop. Wi-Fi networking topology combines and transmits data and information between devices using different bands of radio waves. Wi-Fi is a widely used technology in today's smartphones. Like a mobile phone, Wi-Fi network uses radio waves to send data across the network. Wi-Fi, a computer should include a wireless adapter that converts data transferred to a radio signal. The identical signals delivered to a router decoder to an antenna. After decoding, the data is sent to internet over the connected Ethernet connections. Because of the wireless network is bidirectional data from internet will also transmit via the router and code into a radio signals that the computer's wireless adapters will receive. Wi-Fi in IoT. Because Wi-Fi is vulnerable to malicious access, microchip required for connectivity between the devices in the IoT and robust framework to maintain the devices in Wi-Fi credentials. Wi-Fi enabled IoT devices are frequently massive in hubs. There are, however, smaller gadgets that are Wi-Fi capable. If you want to use Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi IoT devices must be reasonably close to the Wi-Fi access point. Advantages of Wi-Fi: we can transport a wireless data from one location to another. We can reduce the expense of cable by using the wireless network communication devices. Wi-Fi setups and configurations are much more straightforward than wiring. It is fully secure and will not disturb any network. We may also use hotspot to connect to the internet. Wireless internet access is possible. Disadvantages of Wi-Fi are Wi-Fi emits the radiation that is harmful to human health. When we are not utilized the use server, we must terminate the Wi-Fi connection. There are certain limitations to data transfer. We cannot transport data across great distance. When compared to the conventional connections, Wi-Fi deployment is more costly. Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System is a navigation system that allows users to determine their exact locations on the Earth's surface. GPS has become an essential tool for a variety of applications, including aviation, surveying, mapping, and tracking. GPS uses satellites to monitor the movement of anything equipped with such as GPS tracking devices, including automobile, human, and even pets. It operates in any weather conditions and offers precise locations updated in real time. The Internet of Things may greater and measure enormous amounts of data on anything from the individual health to public transportation. GPS tracking is required to provide location information for such objects. A more reliable and easy accessible data sets can be built using a GPS and the Internet of Things. GPS satellites complete two accurate orbits around the planet every day, and individual satellite signals and orbiting parameters can be decoded and used to pinpoint the satellite locations via GPS receivers. This data, together with trans triangulation, is used GPS receiver to pinpoint the presence locations of the owners. Benefits of GPS: the integration GPS with IoT can help organizing to optimize their operations and simplify complex process, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Tracking vehicles in real time can reduce transport time, simply logistical planning, and optimize delivering schedules. The accuracy of GPS tracking is limited and affected by physical and environmental factors such as signals interference, weather, and locations of receiver. Issues in privacy and data security must also be addressed when implementing GPS tracking in IoT devices. Real world of GPS in IoT: smart transportation, fleet management, precision agriculture and environment monitoring, personal tracking, and wearable devices. Next we go for the GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM standard device network into four distinct parts: mobile station, base station subsystem, network switching subsystem, operational subsystem. Mobile station. A mobile station is essential in the access point access someone used to connect to the internet. It is a device with a subscriber identity module. SIM associates the device with an individual subscribers, which allows the device to connect to the nearest base station. Base station subsystem. BSS contains base transceiver station and base station control. Base transceiver station includes components like receivers and the antenna, which allows connect devices to send and receive signals. And base station control allows the base transceiver station to relay signals through the network via network and switching subsystem. With the introduction to GPRS core networks and its support nodes, the NS began playing a role in data connections as well. Network and switching subsystem. Network and switching subsystem is a term for the major components of 2G core network. The NSS originally helped facilitate the connection-oriented voice calls with the home location registers, authentication centers, message service centers, and visitor location registers. Operation support subsystems is a conglomeration of process data applications and tech that allows providers to manage their networks, configure network elements, manage and configure the service they offer, handling system errors and managing the system state, monitor performance based and quality of service and quantity of the experience. GSM networks are now 3 decades old and there are three generations of cellular networks for higher data transfer rates, more secure connections, and advantageous network capabilities. Over the year of telecommunication organizations have implemented upgraded to get more miles out of GSM based network. But in several countries 2G is coming to an end. This does not have much impact on consumers. A phone usually supports multiple technologies, but GSM has been one of the most powerful connectivity technologies in the cellular IoT. Modern IoT manufacturers need to evaluate whether 2G connectivity is still a viable options of their application in the region where they want to deploy. These are some of the introductions about the communication.